First you're going to need some suitable tubing. I'm using John Guest quarter bore plastic pipe. You can use hose pipe, but we are trying to get out bits of grit, not all the water. So what I did, let it run for a while, and if you've got any grit or sand in the base that you can't get out, you try and get out with a cloth, but it's still there. The best thing to do, let it run for a bit, stop it. It usually forms the grit and the sand in little pockets. We don't get a lot, but we do get some. Put one end of the hose, the bottom of the water, gently suck on the other end and keep it low. Anyone who's ever siphoned a fuel tank I might know about this. You shouldn't get anything in your mouth. So just use the end now. You should have water flowing by now. Just use the other end as like a vacuum. As you can see, you'll see shortly. Oops. Any time now. The camera steady. And just go around and gently suck it all away. And the good thing about this is you're not, as you would with a hose pipe, like a 1/2 inch bore, you'd be losing all your water as well at the same time, and your heat. So if you do have bits of grit in, this is the way I find. There's a pump you can get, probably about 30 quid or something, but it's only going to do the same as what this is. But you'd be pumping it all the time. This is just going to work as long as the pipe doesn't keep flicking up and flying out. There you go. Fantastic. Unbelievable. Who'd have thought it? And there's a little crevice at the top there by where the air pumps out as well, sort of settles in there. Unless you like standing and sitting in grit. And of course you could just leave it alone. There you go. And there's the water running out the other side. Gravity. Back in for more. There we go. Look at that. And for those of you, if you get any little critters like we do flying in for a swim, the odd ant, a few gnats, no, we just use a little like an aquarium fish net, and just let it pump up again, let it settle with little bits of grass and little flies and frogs, newts and toads that might have got in, just floating around. Just pick them out with a net. Thank you.